It is 2026, January the 31st. Welcome to my channel. I just want to start off this podcast by saying I am like I have a really large headache, and it is because of like the fumes from driving so much. So yeah, because like the cabin air filter is all messed up. It's super old and dirty, so we're gonna replace those ASAP, and hopefully that'll make things better. But anyways, I said last week I had a cold, and indeed it was a cold. It lasted about 4 days, which is better than 2 weeks, which is the usual thing when you get a cold. So that's good. I'm a little bit, I'm just still a little bit left lingering. But yeah, that's my life. So yeah, this week has been extremely tough because of the fact I had a cold, and like the cabin air filter is all fucked up. So I have a massive headache right now. But anyways, moving on. The markets have been on an absolute plunge fest. Fucking everything's down by like 12%, 20%, 12%. Hyperliquid up 22%. So I've invested in Hyperliquid and Chainlink. I believe Chainlink will get to a $1 trillion market cap eventually. Oh wow, it's already 961. So it's just on an absolute plunge fest. I bought it $10. It's already down 5%. Holy shit. So that's awesome. So it's a good time to get in, I guess. So that's nearly 150x if we get to $1 trillion, which is just outlandish. It's like, what the fuck? What do you mean $1 trillion? I definitely believe it'll be comparable to Bitcoin or Ethereum. It'll definitely overtake BNB. BNB is a useless piece of shit. Hyperliquid over BNB as well. That's where I predict it'll go. So yeah, just slowly getting into my bags. It doesn't really matter, you know. Just need to be prepared for that kind of volatility, and just don't fucking sell at a loss. That's all. So we had Sigma 7 event. Welcome to our reality. That's just how it works. And I hope it never changes. It won't. Don't worry. There will always be leverage. Unless you live in a fucking like dictatorship or something. So yeah, I went from $5,600 all-time high all the way down to 4684. So that's insane. Let's measure that move. Is a 16%, 16.31, 16.14%, man. That is absolutely insane. 16.37%. And yeah, I was all fucking like loosey goosey, all fucked up from my headache and shit. And I was just not in the right mindset to trade, and I don't know why, but fuck, man, I did not. I got my ass handed to me this week, but because I don't like put everything in one basket, I'm fine. And like I've noticed over the years, like the more when I get into these episodes of just complete disintegration, of decimation, you know, like it's getting less and less impactful on my finances, like, which means that I'm controlling my portfolio really well, and I'm not over leveraged or anything. It's just I guess I'll always need this outlet to it offers a lot of introspection, and it really teaches you a lot about yourself. And the more you put your hand in the fire, the more confident and adept you are at identifying market conditions. So I initialized my algorithm here, and I assumed that it was gonna just continue ripping, because that's what it was doing for the entire fucking regime, right? Like since the beginning of time, basically. So I was like, yeah, this is gonna go up. But I should have realized, like, this is weakness right here. You can clearly see that the trend sharply changed here. So that means the regime changed. Okay, it should never have fucking plunged back to this support level, to this sell side liquidity here. Because it already went up there. Okay, this was the initial reaction. This was the initial plunge protection. This was the initial reaction from market participants. It was a good buy. But once the market decides that the inventory is far too great, and there's just too much sell pressure, it's just going to rip right down. And I attempted to defend this level, and it just kept dumping and dumping and dumping. And when you're in this state, you're in an immediate gratification state. And I could not wait until it was only 10:30 a.m. If you had waited till 10:30 a.m., you could have made a nice, decent return. But I couldn't wait that long, so I got my ass handed to me. And but it's all good, you know. Now I kind of know what my greatest weakness is. I have a great sense of wrath and pride, and primarily wrath, because I just get pissed off and I'm willing to destroy myself. And that's all fine and dandy in like reality. Like, keep it to a minimal, but nothing is as serious as trading and finance in general, and keep that out of your account, basically. So we're gonna work to improve our apparatus so that you know, fucking the sin of wrath is completely neutralized, and you just need to be systematic. And you can say that easily, but like it's far more nuanced than that. So that's cool. But that is basically what happened on the gold markets. So Bitcoin is absolute shite right now. Just complete rape, basically. There's no polite way of putting this. So currently down 40% from all-time highs. That is an insane, but this is a good opportunity. Just buy and hold, no leverage, and you will succeed. Unless the fucking market just decides, nah, this asset ain't gonna good anymore. Okay, so that's the current range that we're in. Absolutely insane. So we're good here. And even if my market making bot gets completely liquidated, it doesn't matter too much. Okay, like, we're set back, but I don't have a life-changing amount of money in that. So it's always important to diversify your trading strategies. Like, some people, oh, you're not gonna get rich, oh, but you're not gonna fucking die. Okay, you're not gonna fucking get like broke. You're not gonna like end up with nothing except the shirt on your back. So, and you're not gonna end up homeless. So that's the most important thing, is your protection. And I've successfully managed my portfolio so far that we've seen a relatively minimal drawdown. Okay, like we're still good. We're still good primarily because of the strength of Hyperliquid. I invested into Solana like $400, and fuck, man, I'm down like 25% already, man. I'm not happy about that, but it's all good. I'm just holding for a long term. Same with Link. Let's take a look at Link, man. Link is also absolute shite. Absolute shite. So this is just sentiment, okay? This is what drives algorithms, okay? There's a distinction between real price and perceived price. Real price is the intrinsic value, and perceived price is what the market is offering at the current moment. Okay, so the real price currently for Link is the average, which is $17. You can mathematically place it around 17. That's the real price that market players are willing to deal in. And this is just shock and awe. This is just fear, willing to just completely liquidate the books, the inventory in the books. Is just, and then they're gonna steal everything and then gonna drive it back up. But depending on sentiment and the fervor, we'll see how much it offers. But we'll probably see $17 again very soon. Okay, very, very awesome. So I just man, I bought here. Like I bought like here. Hilarious. You know, I just hit the big button. Is completely mass bot. I didn't really care about dollar cost averaging. Okay, but we'll just it's all good. If it's still at this level, I'm gonna buy more. I'm ultimately gonna hold up to 100, at the very least. But currently, we'll just wait on that. So that's the market. Let's take a look at the economic calendar here. China manufacturing is below missing estimates of 50. The latest reading signaled a loss of momentum in a factory activity at the start of the year amid subdued demand and cautious business mood. So there's a lot of negativity around China, but I always root for China because I am Chinese. So there you go. And so Monday is gonna be there's a red folder news here at 7 a.m. For America. So yeah, next week's gonna be pretty busy because it's the start of the month, and we're gonna see FOMC or whatever the fuck. Non-farm payrolls, sorry, non-farm payrolls on Friday, and that's going to be a massive jolt to the markets. Let's take a look at the numbers here. Actually, perceived forecast is 40,000. Consensus is 70,000. So that's a little weird. Previous is 50,000. So this is just telling us the strength of the U.S. economy. And people are thinking that it's strong, but the official forecast is lower. So if it is strong, then that'll probably pump the markets. And if it's lower, then it's probably going to drop the markets. Okay, let's play some games. Let's play some games. Yeah, man, this level of price action on a Saturday is actually insane. And I made some money because of this volatility. So once you get it, you get it. You kind of get the game. And just don't be too greedy. And try to get as much money as possible and exit. There's an update. Oh my god. So yeah, like last night I saw a fucking guy in Counter-Strike, like literally walling. Like you could tell 100% he was walling. So everyone's hacking. I don't know what happened, but like the cheat detection in these games is just so low now that like you can just basically assume everyone's cheating now. It's so laggy. Oh my god. Oh my god, why they fucking spawn me like at the last minute? Like fuck this. Now I can't. Now they're gonna capture it first. The whole. Oh, there's like a fucking. They changed the model now. It's like fucking. There's a hole in it. Interesting. Yo, he's following this guy. Fuck. Yeah, I really wish there was better physics model in this game. It would be way better. Oh my god. Let's get out of cover. We have to fucking. There's a shop. Wow. Wow, this map is pretty cool. Hit. Fire. 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 See how useless this cannon is? It's so useless. Anyways, let's go. Let's kamikaze. Big guy. No. Ugh. Anyways. Should I get boiling point or foe today? Thinking I want boiling point more. That's like my fucking jam, man. There's one. Target this guy. And then we're gonna get that airplane. No, he's like fucking... Okay, we've identified the target. We have to line it up properly. I was fucking wasting a shot. Alright. Fucking slow ass piece of shit. Okay. Fucking drop it. Oh, we didn't kill him. Anyways, we have to target this fucking airplane now. Where the fuck is the airplane? Oh, there he is. Get him. Yo, we're gonna hit that fucking thing, man. Come on. Get it. Come on. Critical hit. Fucking missing everything, man. Fuck. Nice. There's another aircraft. Is that it? Oh, there he is. If we get a double kill, then this was a worthy spawn. But I'm doubting it. I don't have my cannons. I only have 50 caliber. What the frig? What a noob, bro. Okay, let's get out of here. We're gonna get destroyed. Alright, I'm gonna resupply. Our team is doing well. Our team is doing well indeed. So that's a good thing. We have all our zone. We have all the zones. Currently, the enemy is on the back foot. Who's firing at me? We have a lot of airplanes right now. Oh my god, I'm gonna crash. Oh fuck. If we make it, that was the most epic fucking. Oh my god, we're gonna crash. Wow, what an epic landing.
Attention to the designated grid zone. Another zone captured, we have the advantage.
There is a enemy in the bushes there, so I guess we'll get the guy in the bushes. Can't see him. There he is. Fucking go, bro. Go. Drop it. Let's see if we hit. What the fuck, man? Dude, I hate when they don't get the elevation correct. Like, 0 is not 0 right now. It's like 200 meters. Fucking retarded. Yeah, let's go. Oh. Oh my god. Whatever. We win. Alright. That was awesome. Game has gotten sharper. I guess that's what happens when they update the drivers or something.